Do you have
No,
any
no, no.
evidence of those payments at all?
Payments to her? No, I don't got that.
That would have helped. I got to tell you, it would have helped.
Listen to me, Mike. It's good to have a sense of humor.
Yeah, man.
Because you can build on a lot of things with that sense of humor. Now,
Yeah,
one question I have. Did you say, Ms. Nunley, that the person that you were with, that Michael was having difficulty with, is no longer in your life?
Correct.
So, Michael, how do you feel about that situation now with respect to your mother?
I feel great about it.
And you indicated before that, I think you said you love your mother.
I do.
So, you believe in second chances?
I sure do. Because if there wasn't
Well, this is
second
a
chances, I
moment.
wouldn't be here.
This is a moment for you to embrace second chances. I assume, by the way, there were time limits on the celibacy issue, right?
I don't know how to...
Wait a minute.
It's over.
I think it was 6 months. It was
It's over.
So you're no longer celibate. Maybe I shouldn't ask it that way. So you're free from the
free.
celibacy
Yes.
restrictions.
Yes, because
And you're staying
I
out of
have
trouble?
some
Do you have a job now?
I have a great job right now. I'm doing very, very good right now.
No problems with probation.
Not at all.
I have nothing further.
I'm good.
Yeah.
The parties are excused while we deliberate in this matter. Thank you both very much.
This courtroom is now in recess.
I think that the testimony before us reveals a mother who was concerned about her son, who is 38 years old. He's not a young man, and reached out to help him, and in her own way wanted to keep him out of trouble and had him sign this agreement that had some provisions in it that seemed to be somewhat radical, but were important for him. He claims that she illegally evicted him without giving him notice. That's a side issue. She's his mother, it's her house. It wouldn't, in my view, impact his obligation to pay her back for the money she gave him for lawyers' fees. I'm a little confused as to exactly how much.
Yeah, she
that would
mentioned, so she mentioned that he's paid $1,290, and what he had left was $3,407. I didn't see anything in her contract about interest.
I think she's adding the interest on her credit card, which is not really covered. So I wouldn't give her interest.
And, you know, she did say under oath in her complaint that she received 4 full payments of $350 towards the legal debt. And 350 times 4 is a total of $1,400 that she received, which I would credit over her testimony that she received less than that.
So you subtract that amount.
So I would take the $1,400 from the full $4,000.
And that brings us to
$2,600. He says he gave her $2,100 towards the remainder of the legal fees, but he doesn't have any proof.
Right.
And so I think we have to go with the proof we have from her of the
and so we come up with
$2,600 is what
$2,600, but
I do actually think under California law he might have a claim for the illegal eviction, but I don't think he really presented that claim here today. So I wouldn't deduct that from the amount that is owed. I don't think he's proven that aspect of the case.
Yeah.
And I hope these two get back on a
I hope so too.
It seems like it.
Yeah.
Hope so too.
Yeah.
Our verdict is unanimous, and I think one of the things that helped us render the verdict is the personalities of both of you. And in many ways, I think you inherited some very good personality traits from your mother. Number one, a sense of humor and your mother's smile. It just floats right out from both of you. And the thorn in your side is no longer in the picture. But I'd say in the future, you're entitled to your opinion about things and people, and you want to protect your mother. But he had a harsh and unskillful way of expressing his love for you. So you got to work on that.
You win some, you lose some. So what?
Well, it's an important way of looking at life, but the point is, every day you have to look at your life and say, well, I made this mistake today, I'm not going to make that one tomorrow.
Right.
Somebody once said that the unexamined life is not a life worth living. If we don't look back on our own actions and evaluate them regularly, we'll never change, we'll never grow.
Yeah, you're right.
You and your mother have long life to live forward. It'd be such a tragic waste that the two of you can't live it happily and in harmony from here on forward. So to help it a little bit, the verdict is in your favor for $2,600.